Hello everybody. So the video is about human's brain. You guys already thinking that why this guy is talking about the brain where Wikipedia has a hell lot of information? Because did you know that the brain can process visuals 60,000 times faster than a text? No? So let's get started. Our brain. It's a lot faster than the fastest car in the world, faster than an aircraft that is having 3500 plus km/h speed, and smoother than a snail. Yes, you heard that right. Well, mind and brain are different terms. Mind is related to brain, while brain is considered to be a physical thing which can be studied, but mind is considered to be a mental. The human brain is capable of solving and computing problems much quicker than a computer. Your brain is like 100 billion mini computers all working together. Lack of sleep can affect your brain's ability to create more memories. So, take more sleep is because your body and your brain require rest in order to function properly and retain memory. Human's brain can perform approximate of 10 quadrillion operations at time or say per second. Now brain grows at a constant rate like muscles when we learn new things and daily activities. We can train our brain to remember more and learn anything faster. All of these little bits and pieces of information are stored in different areas of our brain. When you are fast asleep, you might think that your brain is off from work. But it's actually doing a whole lot of work when you are walking, talking, eating and thinking. The information going to your brain from your arms and legs travels at 150 miles per hour, which is capacity of producing enough electricity to power a small light bulb. I grew up in a generation where smartphones were a new technology. It's a great being able to access almost any piece of information in a few seconds. And resources such as Google, Wikipedia and YouTube have clearly been major parts of revolution in how we find information on a smartphone. But studies suggest that if the brain knows it can access information again so easily, it's less likely to remember that information. Like watching this video, you will remember all this amazement of mine for like 2-3 days or even longer. But after that, when you can't remember the information of this video, you will rewatch this video because you can access it again, and by that your remembering power will become low. Normal persons can access up to 10% of brain. Another 90% are served to neuron according to neurologists. What happens when a human uses the 100% of their mind? Well, human can utilize the 100% of brain, but the brain is monstrous that consumes more energy than any other organ. So it creates burnout or exhaustion which humans can control. One of the facts is our brain prefers images over text. When studying, participants remember about 10% of information, but it jumps to 50+% when images are added. Again, just like this video, your mind is entertained with the visualization going on and you understand quickly. But all this information when given in written form, your brain will be bored. There are different people having different types of mind reaction. One having a short tempered or other having a fear mind, and some are having cheerful and positive mind. All humans have same brain at birth, but it grows on how our environment develops it. Doctors and scientists still don't completely understand the complex structure of brain. They are learning more each day about capabilities of brain. Lastly, just like the rest of your body, the brain needs a healthy diet, exercise and right amount of sleep to perform its best. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, give thumbs up, consider subscribing and see you next time.